So we talk about multi-cloud as being an essential inevitability, and not because we think that people are going to be building applications and then trying to arbitrage cost across different cloud providers to get the best cost profile. I think we are pretty pragmatic in our view that if you're a large enterprise, you're going to have heterogeneity. That's just your reality. And you're going to have some of your infrastructure on premises, you're going to have some of it on Amazon, you're going to have some on Azure and some on Google Cloud, perhaps some on Alibaba, some on Oracle Cloud if you're a big company. And I think most people recognize that this is not about arbitrage and moving applications around, but rather that each of these cloud providers has a unique personality. For example, just to generalize, Google tends to be quite good at the data-intensive applications. Amazon tends to be good at the more general-purpose applications. Azure is going to be good at the Office 365 and .NET related applications, as well as, for many companies, has been their traditional partner for many, many years. So what people are trying to solve for in our experience is really, how do I achieve a common operating model across those multiple cloud platforms? Which is going to be on-prem plus the different cloud providers we've got. So for us, multi-cloud is not really a debate. It's sort of it's the de facto reality for any enterprise. Just the same way that those enterprises have mainframes, they have AS400s, they have essentially every investment in IT they've made over the course of history still is important to them. And as you go to cloud, the idea that the world's going to re-platform all that onto a single platform is just not realistic for any organization of size.